Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Greetings and introductions. Hello.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How have you been?
How have you been?
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How old are you?
How old are you?
Small talk. How's the weather?
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
It's raining.
It's raining.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I see.
Tell me more.
Tell me more.
Daily activities. I just woke up.
I just woke up.
I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm taking a shower.
I'm taking a shower.
I'm getting dressed.
I'm getting dressed.
Let's have breakfast.
Let's have breakfast.
I'm going to work.
I'm going to work.
I'm at school.
I'm at school.
Time to go home.
Time to go home.
Let's eat dinner.
Let's eat dinner.
Asking questions. What time is it?
What time is it?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
What's this?
What's this?
Who is that?
Who is that?
Why are you late?
Why are you late?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Do you understand?
Do you understand?
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
Making requests. Please help me.
Please help me.
Can I have this?
Can I have this?
May I use your phone?
May I use your phone?
Could you open the window?
Could you open the window?
Let's go together.
Let's go together.
Wait a minute, please.
Wait a minute, please.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Expressing feelings. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm full.
I'm full.
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Shopping and eating out. How much is this?
How much is this?
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Do you have this in large?
Do you have this in large?
I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
Where's the fitting room?
Where's the fitting room?
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I'd like a sandwich, please.
I'd like a sandwich, please.
At home. Time to clean up.
Time to clean up.
Let's do the dishes.
Let's do the dishes.
I'll cook dinner.
I will cook dinner.
It's bedtime.
It's bedtime.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Don't forget your homework.
Don't forget your homework.
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
Come here, please.
Come here, please.
Be quiet, please.
Be quiet, please.
Politeness and manners. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Goodbyes. See you later.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Take care.
Take care.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.